Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel TechRev. So as you can see, I'm back with another product, and as you have noticed that I'm a fan of Xiaomi products. So again, I brought a new product here. Today I'll be reviewing this camera. This is Mi 360 home security camera 2K. So this is the latest security camera by Xiaomi, and this is 2021 model. I like latest products, and this is a really very latest model. And as you can see, it says the highlight of the product is that it is 3 megapixels. Mostly the cameras that come under this category are usually 2 megapixels, but this one is 3 megapixels with a 1.4 f1.4 large aperture. And usually you find, for this price range, you find around 2.1 f numbers, so this is a really a major upgrade. And of course you have low light, full color AI, artificial intelligence, human detection. So this is something special. This is the highlight. 2K camera, of course it has 2K resolution. Of course you can lower it down to 720p if you want to, 720p and 1080, and of course the 2K. But other than that, it has 3 megapixel camera sensor and 1.4 large aperture. So if you look at the back, it is original product. It is made in China. As you can see, it is 2021 model, and it supports input 5 volt 2 ampere, which I think is very good. And storage is up to 32 GB card. So this is product made by Xiaomi, as you can see. So this is a good product. So guys, as you can see, this is a sealed product. Where is the seal? So here's the seal. This is a sealed product. Let's open the seal and check what this product is about. All right. So let's check what's in the box. I can see this small container. I think it has the data cable or something, and we have the camera down there. But first check this box, and I think I can see the booklets, of course the user manual, and yes, we have the data cable, the charging cable actually, and of course this wall. So it's time to check the camera. So this is the Mi 360 2K camera, home security, and well, this is what we have. QR code at the bottom, and the camera looks quite stylish, and of course it's like a ball round shape. I think we have memory card location if we move the camera up. So here we put the memory card, and this camera supports 32 GB of memory card, of course. And well, looks quite simple, and we have these accessories with it which come in the box. So guys, I have the camera set up, and I installed the application called the Mi Home app for the Android, and you can also have it for iOS. So you have to install that app in your phone, and only then you can connect this camera using this QR code that is at the bottom. And I have connected the camera to the adapter, and it is turned on, and I've also connected and paid it with the Mi Home app. So let's test the camera on the Mi Home app UI. So we are in the camera UI right now. This is the UI of the Mi Home app, and as you can see, the camera is selected, and well, of course we are in light conditions, so the camera image will show colors. And checking the settings, well, you can go to general settings to check for the firmware upgrade, and I've already upgraded the firmware, so no need to upgrade again. And you can go to the camera settings to check what settings we have. You can go to the image settings to check what we have on image. Well, these are the options, and of course let's calibrate the camera. So once you click it, the camera will rotate all the way 360 degrees to calibrate its motors. And of course the camera has up and down motion as well, so that you can pan and zoom vertically as well. Now we can check out the settings, like the home surveillance settings, and well, you can check the memory status. No memory card installed right now, so it won't show. And well, you can allow that. Well, this is AI setting. You can go for face management, but of course this is paid. You can set up automations. You can share the device so that your family members can also have access. And this is cloud storage. Well, we won't be needing cloud storage because I will be installing SD card. So well, these are all the settings. As you can see, the camera is very sharp. Well, this is full screen mode, and you can actually pan left to right, right to left, up and down, and you can also change the resolution to 360 and 2K. Okay, so let's turn off the lights and check the night mode of this camera. Well, here you go. I've turned off the light, and it has gone on to the infrared mode. And let's rotate now and check the darkest edges. So as you can see, the camera is performing very well even in night mode, and the range is very good of the IR sensors, and there is no problem looking at objects distant. And this is, well, I've turned off on the light and the colors are back. So that's all guys from this video. Hope you liked it.